Today, we will be exploring the top 5 most luxurious houses on the planet. From sprawling estates to modern mansions, these homes are the epitome of opulence. Join us as we take a look at these remarkable abodes and the amazing features that make them extra special. So let's get started and find out what makes these homes truly magnificent. 5. Fleur de Lis, Tori Spelling. The Fleur de Lis is an extravagant mansion located in the exclusive Holmby Hills area of Los Angeles, California. This luxurious residence was designed in a French chateau style, boasting over 55,000 square feet of living space and 12 bedrooms. It is one of the most expensive homes in the world, with an estimated price tag of around $150 million. The estate includes a tennis court, a pool, a ballroom, a wine cellar, and a grand staircase. Its grand design is full of exquisite details and includes a gourmet kitchen, marble floors, and crystal chandeliers. There are also a number of luxurious suites with their own jacuzzis and private balconies. The Fleur de Lis is truly a remarkable sight and is a testament to luxury and opulence. 4. Uptown Court, Robbie Williams. Uptown Court is an extremely luxurious house located in Windlesham, Surrey, England. It is a modern mansion designed in a grandiose style with a mixture of classical and contemporary features. The house has 103 rooms, including a bowling alley, an indoor pool, a gymnasium, a spa, a bar, and a helipad. It also has a 12-car garage and a 9-hole golf course. The grounds of the estate have landscaped gardens, a lake, and a tennis court. The estimated price of the house is around 50 million euros. It is a luxurious and opulent estate that is fit for a king. 3. Versailles, David Siegel. Versailles is a luxurious mansion located in the outskirts of Paris, France. Built by the order of King Louis XIV, it is one of the most exquisite and recognized examples of Baroque architecture in the world. The house features a wide variety of grandiose designs and decorations, from its iconic Hall of Mirrors to its breathtaking gardens and fountains. Versailles cost an estimated $200 million to build, and its current estimated value is more than $1 billion. It is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors annually who come to marvel at its grandeur and beauty. 2. Villa Leopolda, Lali Safra. Villa Leopolda, located in the stunning French Riviera, is a luxurious, sprawling estate owned by billionaire Lali Safra. This magnificent property has a unique design that blends contemporary and classic styles and boasts an impressive list of amenities. From the sprawling gardens to the spacious terraces, the villa is a luxurious oasis with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Inside, the villa features exquisite marble and antique furnishings, a grand staircase, and a grand piano. The villa is estimated to be worth over $750 million, making it one of the most expensive properties in the world. 1. Antilla Mukesh Ambani. Antilla is the world's most expensive and luxurious private residence owned by Mukesh Ambani, an Indian billionaire businessman. Located in the heart of Mumbai, India, Antilla stands 27 stories tall and is a towering landmark of the city. This luxurious home has been custom designed with a unique combination of modern and traditional elements, making it stand out amongst other buildings in the area. The structure is a combination of steel, glass, and concrete and is estimated to cost over $1 billion. It features 600 staff members, a ballroom, helipad, fitness center, spa, 4-story garden, and 9 high-speed elevators. Each of the 6 floors of the home is dedicated to a different function and offers a unique design. Antilla is an opulent palace that stands as a symbol of Ambani's immense wealth and power. Thanks for watching our video about the 5 most luxurious houses in the world. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing properties and the people behind them. If you're looking for more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.